So, part two of seasonal allergies that don't really exist. Herbs and infusions that we make with teas are really the best way to fortify your body and system. Now, in my mind, this is the most natural supplement and it's bioavailable in the body. Bioavailable simply means that you put it in and your body sucks it up and uses it right away, as opposed to taking an actual supplement, in which case it has to process whatever it was that made that supplement. You have to flush it out of your system with an extraordinary amount of water, and then it can actually, if your body is in a good shape, it will absorb about 10% of it. On the other hand, when you're using teas and infusion, like the traditional herbs and teas like I spoke about in video 1, chamomile and nettle in particular, you still must drink water, right? You can't get away with that, but the tea is made with water. And so what's the difference between a tea and an infusion? A tea is simply you boil the water, you put the herbs in there for 5 minutes to steep it, and then you can, drink and serve, right? An infusion is a lot stronger than that. So you put it into a mason jar usually and let it sit overnight. Obviously let it cool off, let it sit overnight in your refrigerator, and then strain out the herbs and the flowers and drink it little by little throughout the day. Now, since infusions are so much stronger, they are quite bitter. And not that the herbal tea themselves are not bitter, but the infusion tends to be a lot more bitter. So drinking it cold, for one thing, kind of blunts the bitterness, but it also makes it more bioavailable and less harsh on the stomach if your stomach has a reaction to acid. So yes, even though it's herbs, there is an element of acid there because you have a stronger concentration of what you're trying to get out of the herb. So those are things you want to be aware of. If you want to know more detail about it, always, you can comment below this video or contact me directly, of course, by reaching out at workoutaroundmyday.com, and we can talk more in detail to your specific situation with allergies, seasonal allergies, herbs, infusions, and teas. Just quickly before I go, I want to give you one more great flower that you want to use at the seasonal change, and that is red clover. Red clover traditionally has been used to clear out the lymphatic system, usually after you've had like a really heavy upper respiratory problem like bronchitis or a really bad cold or something like this, or even the flu. But you can also use it in small quantities in this infusion with the nettle, with the chamomile, so that you can actually cleanse your body. So this is basically what people like to call a detox. So like I said, that is part 2 of infusions, teas, and spring allergies. If you have some comments, questions, please put them below this video. Have an amazing day.